Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to get extra bougie and fancy because we're going to talk about the Chanel of laundry detergents and cleaning products, the Laundress. Are you ready to get fancy? Let's go. Before we get started on this review, if you guys like reviews on cleaning products, you guys like organizing, home cleaning motivation, and all that stuff, and you like cute dogs and music, that's a lot. If you guys are not already subscribed, just go ahead and press that subscribe button. I publish 3 times a week, and you get to see a really cute dog, almost every time. So, I mean, subscribe for Clover. If you subscribe, you will feed a cavalier. That's right, you will feed a cavalier. He's very cute. He needs your support. Go ahead and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about a line of laundry products and cleaning products now that I've actually used for a little while. Like, I've used them for a few years, so it's going to be harder for me to be objective completely. But let's dive deep into the world of Laundress. Let's just do it. Let's just talk about it. So if you're not familiar with the brand Laundress, they are a boutique brand of laundry detergent. It's mostly clothing care products. They do have some home cleaning items, but it's mostly clothing care products, and they are designed to appeal to a luxury market. So this is not your regular Tide that you can go and buy from the grocery store. This is like luxury, fancy laundry detergent. By the way, did you guys know that Tide is like one of the most stolen things in America? Like, there's like a black market for Tide apparently. It's like kind of crazy. Anyway, the Laundress line of laundry care was started in 2004 by 2 friends, Lindsay Boyd and Gwen Whiting. Lindsay and Gwen met when they were at Cornell. They were studying textile and fiber science. After school, they had worked in the fashion industry. So Gwen and Lindsay wanted to start this company, and their whole philosophy is they wanted to take away the need to go and take your things to the dry cleaner. Now, I personally do not like taking my things to the dry cleaner. I'm always afraid what's gonna happen to them when I'm there. There's a whole like taking your clothes out, driving them someplace, and then picking them up. It's a whole thing that I hate doing. So this appealed to me very strongly. I'm like, if I don't have to take things to the dry cleaner, I can just clean them at home, then great, that's perfect. So they started a line of fancy luxury laundry products. They have detergent, special shampoo for your woolens and delicates and things like that. So we're gonna review all the products I have tried from the line. I have tried, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products from the line. So you can purchase Laundress products online or in store. You can purchase them actually from the Container Store, which is where I found them first because I used to be a Container Store employee. If you visit the Laundress website, you can also see which physical stores carry them around where you live. You can also buy them from Amazon, and you can also buy them from the Laundress website, which is what I did, and I can tell you a little bit about that experience. So I placed an order at the Laundress website. It was difficult not to beat around the bush. I don't know if it was my browser that I was using, but I was unable to sort of place an order. Firstly, it just kept like spinning around and not processing. And then I placed the order but didn't get an order confirmation or shipping confirmation. And when I went to check my PayPal, which I paid with, it was charged twice. One was pending and one was completed. So I contacted customer service. They were very good about getting back to me very quickly. She found my order and said, yes, I actually did place my order, and I'd be getting a confirmation soon for shipping, which I subsequently did not receive, but I did receive my products, and I will now get to the product unboxing. So this is what the Laundress box looks like when it comes to your house. I opened it a little bit, but you can see it's got the cute little logo on the side, and it's got the Laundress on the front. So they've put a lot into their own sort of private packaging here, which is really special to me, actually. Let's go ahead and open this. So I opened this previously, but I had to take my packing slip out because I have my address on it. I don't want to do the whole censoring thing. So it comes with lots of paper, and I ordered 3 things. So I've got, let's take out the paper. I got the surface cleaner, which came with this covered in bubble wrap there, but when you take it off, it's spray handle. So I kind of appreciate that they cover this in bubble wrap so that this doesn't get all crazy on the way here. So this is just a surface cleaner, so I ordered that. I ordered the signature detergent. This is a big 33.3 ounces, and the fabric conditioner, which is like fabric softener. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. I appreciate the packaging, and I appreciate that the box is kind of special. I mean, I wish I could reuse this box, but I'm gonna go ahead and break it down. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down and put it in the recycling. So, but I do appreciate the luxurious packaging, I will say. So as you can tell, the products came in a very lovely package. They were beautifully wrapped, and it was a fun time. So I'm gonna tell you about each one of the products that I tried individually. Now, I first wanna say that this is a luxury line of laundry detergents. The price point is going to be up there, like up there. So a bottle of this signature laundry detergent is about 20 bucks. It's like 32, it says 64 washes, but that's if you hand wash every one of them, okay, or do small loads. So it's really 32 like high efficiency washes. I think last week or the week before I reviewed a brand called The Good Home Company, and that is very expensive as well. It was $25 for 32 ounces. And I mentioned a more expensive laundry detergent, which is Tyler's Glamorous Wash, which I thought was the most expensive laundry detergent on the market, but I am mistaken. Even though the Laundress Signature Detergent is not the most expensive detergent on the market, I've been calculating price per load. Like, it's like 1 ounce for every load for this one. They actually do make a detergent that is the most expensive detergent that I found on the market, and it is the Le Labo version of the signature detergent. You only get 16 ounces, and it is $45. This bottle right here is 16 ounces. So imagine this filled with laundry detergent, and it's $45. Just imagine for just a moment. That's bougie on like a whole other level. And to be completely fair, the Le Labo scent, the Le Labo Rose 31 scent is beautiful. However, Kay Patterson, I am not paying $45 for the Le Labo detergent. I mean, if someone were to give it to me, I would be very excited and thrilled and grateful. However, I will not purchase this detergent. Anyway, let's start with the signature detergent. This is the Laundress Signature Detergent, and it comes in a big, beautiful bottle, nice black and white, very fancy. It says Scent Classic down here at the bottom, if you can see it. There it is. And you get 64 washes, hand washes, or 32 high efficiency washes, or 16 regular non-HE machine washes, which that's not even worth it for me. So if you have a regular washer and you want to use this, you're gonna have to use a lot, and it's not gonna be worth the money. But so personally, I have a story with this detergent. Back when I was living in what I like to call my bachelor pad, I had a bottle of this, and I lived like, I wasn't living like a bougie life. Like, I was not. It was just like, I lived in like a tiny place, and the laundry room was like downstairs in the creepy basement, you know, and I hated going down there and doing the laundry. But when I took this with me and all my like fancy Laundress products, it made it so much more fun. And before we get too deep into it, the company is claiming that the products, the ingredients used to make the products are non-toxic, plant-based, so you're not gonna find any like super icky stuff in here. The first ingredients are plant-derived anionic and non-ionic surfactants, and then a bunch of enzymes and stuff like that. So it's laundry detergent. However, the smell, the smell. It smells so good, you guys. The smell is really the like game changer to me. It smells expensive, and I actually was like trying to Google like what smells expensive, and I basically came up with the conclusion that it depends on your culture and your upbringing about what scents smell expensive. But if you are from like a Western culture, you probably know what I'm talking about. Chanel No. 5, Chloe, Bulgari, like it smells expensive, and it will make your clothes smell expensive for a couple of days. This stuff is strongly scented. It smells really strong, but it smells really good. So that's basically what I'm getting down to with this. Does this work better than Tide and Gain? No. Does it maybe make the laundry do like a little bit more fun? Yeah. But again, just like the last laundry detergent, it works fine and it makes a great gift. It smells beautiful. Like it smells expensive. It says it's got the scent. Here is how they describe the scent. Clean laundry spell, blending lily of the valley and jasmine with sweet musk, sandalwood, and a touch of citrus. A touch. I've been using this for years and I like it. I use Tide Free and Clear for like my pets stuff and like my preferred cloths. I don't like go in with the fancy laundry detergent with that, but with like my regular clothes, it's good. I like it. I don't rebuy it every time that I run out, but I regularly repurchase this and I like it. By the way, I want to say if you want to try any of these products, they do offer a little like sample sizes on the website and little travel kits as well. So here's a little sample size of the detergent that I'm taking with me on my trip on Tuesday. So, I mean, if you want to just try it, you can try a sample. You don't have to pay the full like 20 bucks for the laundry detergent. So keep that in mind as well. They also sell a fancy all-purpose bleach alternative, which is just fancy OxiClean. Does this work? Yes. Do you need to probably pay this much for it? No. Does it look nice in your laundry room and matches everything? Yes. So if you're going for like a theme, pick it up, but like, do you need it? No. Or you can just refill it with OxiClean when it's done. How about that? That's a hack. By the way, I feel like we're starting with all the products that I think are super like bougie and unnecessary. Like, let's talk about the scented vinegar for a second. I don't think you need this. This is so extra. You can just buy regular vinegar and put some essential oils in it and it's the same thing. Like this actually has that's actually what it is, and now I feel like a big loser. Deionized water, natural corn-derived vinegar, so it's vinegar and water, and essential oils and fragrance. Just refill the bottle with like vinegar and essential oil and water, and you will pull the wool over everyone's eyes. No pun intended. The fabric conditioner is a nice go along with the signature detergent. It's nice. You don't get as much as you do for the detergent. Is it necessary? Again, no. But it's nice. It goes along with the whole theme. So if you're doing a theme, then like, I guess pick it up. It's expensive for what it is though. The stain solution was actually pretty good for pre-treating if you have some stains. I do think this is worth buying. It is unscented, so it's not gonna leave a fragrance. Is it better than like stuff that you can get from the grocery store? Probably not. It's comparable. It's not worse. I know that it works really well. Now, where I do think the Laundress really does shine, and I think these products are worth their money and even more, is the wool and cashmere shampoo and also the delicate wash. So I personally do not love to take my sweaters to the dry cleaners. I live in a cold climate in the winter time, and I have a lot of sweaters. So before I store them for summer, I usually wash them, and that involves taking them to the dry cleaner and having them store. It's the whole thing. So I had some dirty sweaters that I needed to prepare for winter. So over the past week, I have been machine washing my wool sweaters and knit sweaters with this wool and cashmere shampoo. I did go on to the Laundress YouTube page, and there was a few videos there on how to hand wash and machine wash your sweaters with this wool and cashmere shampoo. I have tried to hand wash, I have done that. And I made sacrifice and tried to machine wash my sweater, I can't say that, and machine wash my sweaters, and I have to say, they came out great. I used this wool and cashmere shampoo, which smells like cedar, which is another plus because bugs don't like the smell of cedar. So if you smell like cedar, they're not gonna be as attracted to your sweaters. Because wool and stuff is a natural fabric that smells like an animal, when you take it out of the washing machine, it's gonna smell a little bit like wet dog, but once the fabric's dry, it smells like beautiful cedar, and it came out really clean, and I was very surprised that I was able to put my sweater in the washing machine and wash it on the delicate cycle cold water, and I had to put it in the beautiful Laundress bag, which I will insert a little B-roll here of the Laundress wash bag, which I also purchased and used. It's very nice, and it made the whole thing like a very luxurious, fancy experience. I do think the wool and cashmere shampoo is worth the money. I love it, and it lasts up to 32 washes. I do also like the delicate wash for your delicates, which includes like silk things and your bras and underwear. So bras and underwear are, again, like very delicate items. You want to hand wash or put them in the washing machine in delicate cycle, which is actually what I do. I'm too lazy to actually hand wash them. I'm sorry, that's just the way it is. But when I put them in the washing machine on the hand wash cycle in the washing machine, and I've used this for years, and I actually really like it, and I highly recommend this. I think these are great products. Could you just use Woolite? I mean, yeah, but it's not as like fancy and bougie, and that makes the process a little bit more fun for me. The other things I also tried were the surface cleaner and the all-purpose cleaning concentrate, which are basically, I mean, let's be honest, the same thing. So one is concentrated and one is like diluted in water. You don't need this, but I love this. It smells beautiful. I feel so special when I'm cleaning my house with it. I feel it's very perfumey. Scented in 247, blending fresh, clean notes of bergamot, thyme, eucalyptus, lavender, and ylang ylang. Is it ylang ylang or lang lang? One of the two. It smells gorgeous, and it's just basically just surfactants and I think it says mineral derived cleaning enhancer. I don't know what that means. Oh, that's sodium gluconate and some essential oils. So it's not revolutionary. It's not better than like Mrs. Meyer's, but it's fancy, and I feel fancy cleaning my house with this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what they're selling. When you buy your YSL lipstick, you know what you're getting. You're getting a lipstick. It's nice, but you know what you're paying for. You're paying for the packaging and for the name. When you buy a CoverGirl lipstick, you're paying for lipstick. You're paying for a great product, but it's probably the same quality product that's in here, but you're not paying for fancy packaging and name. You're paying for just a lipstick. You feel kind of fancy putting this on. You just feel like you're getting the work done putting this on. So therein lies my point. I like the Laundress products. I'll keep using them. I bought almost the whole line. I appreciate it. I think it's great. Do I think it works better than things you can buy from the grocery store? No. Do I think you need it? No. And you hate doing the laundry and you want to like dress up your laundry room and make it look fancy and want to have all these fabulous smells, then you treat yourself. I think that is the name of the game with the Laundress, is treat yourself. Otherwise, I don't think it's necessary. But I personally, Kay Patterson, like a little bougie stuff in her life. And therefore, I like Laundress products. Do I think they're unnecessary? A little bit. Do I like them though? Yeah. Alright, I hope I'm able to edit down this review to some reasonable length, and I hope I didn't say too many unnecessary things. If you guys like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Let me know what kind of laundry stuff or anything you want me to review next. Put it in a comment down below, and actually, have you guys used any of these Laundress products? Let me know which one is your favorite, or if you've tried it and hated it, leave a comment down below. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay. I have like all of these beautiful Laundress products like below me, and I just want to like just hug them all. Hug them.